Good afternoon, my dear students. Ngasi weather su yam nungai ka. Kasi nungan badagi horaga nung se continuously chure bani na kay dawre tumba ko pa nungai nang gani aduna hogat pa kot pa kaw ngano ka. Hojik se kung ama daram ni hajik pok tumam badino chaksa ba kaw mani ka. Adu na yang akoi syllabus se kitang cover taw sika. Ngara na nagi basing do loina kangam mani na kalika. Yung ay wam taga hayawge marang tata class holding ida ay kogi WhatsApp group wala man semi ka kogi hoy satra singna semak group su khara leire group sing do yarga di official level group to da way na season na ka do ay na haning isi kay no group to da unnecessary way baga na koy man sen wari sana ba na koy man sen WhatsApp to sound na ba ko pa mayam yaw ka please do avoid that ko adu sing to gan ko yaring kay ay ginam tunda WhatsApp to yawri base na koy naman maseng katanate na koy butapi tambiri ba oza guru mayama yawri ka adu na oza sing na koy comment se paraga kari khalam gani atraga kari torom gani habdo na koy du sense ma layo kari gumba adu ki potuna lerak taba targa di WhatsApp group ta na koy group ta ki group 3 thu dai no na kay dore question hangning ba kot padu ki chance lerak taba yai ka only admin habidi kana no group to pai ri ba senari ba administrator to gi makut ta ketang ba na tha question natraga thabu thajin tawba ya base angon da ketang adu gi chance ma pira kani ka adu duna na khoi da hangning ba kot pagi kutong sa ba lerak taba yai adu na khoi gi sigmo ko se mang jara kani yanda ne ka adu na WhatsApp group se positively use to se yanda ne ka adu na khoi da unnecessary way ba adu gumba tawgum sika tawdabudi na khoi gi uptadi yamna yaude adu sometimes chhatra khara yawra ka hangning ba ko badai kitang amana sounding ba ko pa hadi group to da hanga iba ming se natra chhatra se natra oja se kanano aba posum khangna da badagi hadi ming loi sep to lai na bana tabani na ga na sugum ba kitang lai adana koina hangning ba lai ga di personal chalaga personal da WhatsApp group ta natra magi oja gi da bu oiro ai gi da bu oiro amaga namana bagi da bu oiro personal oina hangnau ka sisma I wamang yaloge then adui matung denga object se exam kuisalaktre ka class yaw dabra khangde chhatra khara yam toina hangba chhatra yawrei sar exam tang kya dagi haudoino tang kya de haudoino hangba mayam yawrei ka ado koina class taw matam da nungti gi na koida palle na koi gi handa ki midterm se September gi 13 dagi hauraga ni na haiba se koi nungti gi na koida palle ka ado class yaw daba chhatra oiramani message ta tharaga natragana amada WhatsApp group ta khangde ama khangde sar exam je tang kya de hodoino na hanga iba chhatra sing se class ta phajana video yeng da ba class yauraga su PDF kitang download tor sin ba kang do oiram gane na khali ka aduna aduma sing do yaring gai video sing je yeng ka moreover na koi nungti gi daily attendance koi na locally ba attendance se hayeng exam ya da count matam da koi gi school gi rule and regulation gi matung ina 75% suragadi pekha thaba yani sudragadi yaro haba malaika aduduna adugumba pam daba uncircumstances sari kaina kaina pam daba thoning daba thodokse si thokta nab gidam da dore class sang ne yausi ka moreover nowadays your exams are approaching ka exam la abani ke dore na khoi da pinning ba suggestion natraga probable question bu oiro ama bu oiro yandai ko sa haiba singda na koida pinning akani adu class kumba ya ho dragadi adu ma potuma na koida miss out tawrani ka adu dama adu poto leita na bagi to ke dore class sang na ne yausi your attendance are very much needed ka attendance ma darkar hoini sima khangi ka adu na kan sana kitang careful wayo take care to ka okay then nga like to onsela jenga alinga bi yare ka tampa yaraba yare ka adu na yo class 1 onsela jenga now let's have discussion question number 5 question ani katane le mauri se le mauri question ne solution jengo aduga mathangi karak paitha jenga question number 5 te yauri se let's draw the figure malenga be figure ye to ai ju ye ke na koi ju ye uka ai ne ye da na koi ju ye ko loina ba yenga kari figure ne yenga So the names letter, you write it down here. This is P, this is O, this is Q, this is R, and this is K. Then what are things given here? Okay, today is the 27 August 2021. August no gidore hangs tengay ka. September do la adam ni September la pa is kaina your exams is very near having ka. So today is Friday. So question number 5. So in the given figure, what are things given here? This is your exercise 6.1. Question number 5 ka. Page kaina yang POQ is a line and ray karambano OR is perpendicular to kanadano PQ da perpendicular way aduga hangisna karino atai iroy ke ka yamna important way du way de kana angle R OS is equal to half of angle all bracket kanano set QOS minus angle POS. Now you try to identify those figures, those angles from the given figure. Figure the ginana pami ba angles in the identify to bung ambrengo. Sidamana kaya POQ is a line. You can see here. Malangabi uika. Nina uika. POQ is a line malay ba? Yan ka. Again, say ROR se kay daw ay ba PQ the perpendicular way hay ta can see the perpendicular is the line. Yan ka. The mana hangis na kanano ROS sila na ba ROS se kanaga mana hay no half of difference of these two angles kan pa mano QOS hay bisiga POS hay bisiga ka since kay kung na tu na divide to ga angle ROS se mana hay mani ano question se kitang mana twist awi wani ka ko na sila sam na POS se kanana ta ROS se kanana ta di POS tagi si khai do tai kan ha re am lai chona to we ka adu mana sida kitang question se kitang twist ta re adu bi yang am lai no se ngo put pa yang se ai ko le kari khange POR se perpendicular way am ta ne di sona kan da lai hori ba kanano se si su perpendicular way right ra sona kan side se way ni ka adu na kanala ri yang angle ROS ka it will be equal to kanano angle ROP minus angle POS ka the ROP is kaya no sa that will be 90 minus angle POS sikai di line ni ngo RO se perpendicular way hay kanada PQ da hay kitra auto hay ra pani na kay daw ni sa angle PROP se kanaga mana ga doi na 90 degree ga mana ga doi ni ka aduna ni sta ROS se kanaga silay no sa that is the 90 yan dai ka let's name this is equation number 1 yan dai ko sa adu yung yang ROS se ko na ga daw ay SOQ da gi sikhai to ki ba yabra dai ka aduna yang again angle ROS se ke do ba ay angle kanano se QOS tagi kana khai do kai ba angle ROQ yan da bra sa sida siya angle ROS se kana ga mana gani that will be equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree sida lai kana no sa angle ROQ se kana ga mana dai na that will be equal to 90 degree yan da ka adu na this is question number 2. Now let's add this equation 1 and 2. Adding equation number 1 and 2, what do you have? So ROS plus ROS. So now going to 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90 degree. So like and that equation 1 and 2 this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2 happen to finish it. Left side twice angle ROS, that will be equal to 90 plus minus QOS minus angle POS. ROS ROS 2 has to go to other side, therefore it will be dividing the right side. So what is there? QOS minus angle POS. This is what is being required to prove. Hence, it is okay, note it down. Okay, let's go with the last question. Last question question number 6. Figure pyramid de, but we have to draw the figure card. Figure ye pada card tai ka. Figure ye to question to paraga. Question to panara yenga. Apinas yan tari bro. Luber lai bro si ba? Lai ka. Okay, last question of the exercise. It is given that angle XYZ that is equal to 64 degree. And the last, let's draw XYZ. I have a figure for say. As angle though, before I will enough. Unless here this is XYZ car. X in color, no Y in color, no Z in color. See, this is what 64 degree. Yeah, the next sentence again. XY is produced to P. XY have to come now. Y the lower the people sound draw the figure from the given information if y cube bisect and the Hana Kanana Santo share. She's hung to us say y the lower in the y room Santo with the Nika. Chicago Santorano, it is has been produced to P. Ibu Santore Hadeka. As the command y cube bisect angle ZYP. ZYP this is the she bisect the Hadeka. Kanana YQ na, and the YQ has to draw downward. To Makan the Yemanica. Okay, that is Sikanano YQ. Similarly, si bisect means this angle has to be equal with this angle. Then find XYQ. XYQ puto hai x karmana XYQ. That is si angle upon mastu puto hai sika. So dagi makha mana kana lego reflex angle QYP. QYP. See reflex angle tika na wajina sana kana le usam shi wajai nika. Aduna it was saying so the period information sing say. So what are the things given here? Question number 6 the angle kanano हम फिर से x y z is equal to 64 then y cube bisect angle kanano zyp ha adagi xp is ne kari tare xp is a straight line set as mana hangis na kanano to kadaw se to find angle xy cube then kanano reflex angle QYP yang se kam lai tang bunna da yengu ka tang section na yengo kamai ta ka doi na ha de ka now yenga akone kari ure se x y p se kari tare straight line tare ka straight line tare mina sum of angles in on those line would be 180 tare bra si angle om de tinjana kana 180 tare ne kan tare ka adu bu si 180 to 64 khang mina si bu to pe ara bra yani ka or si bu to da si kana tawi divide to mina we have to divide it into 2 ka dane yenga solution number 1 solution da we knew that sum of angles on a straight line is 190 degree ka abna kana na angle x, y, z plus angle p, y, z is equal to 190 degree. So again, the x, y is क्या पेड़ में माना 64 पेड़ में that has to replace का plus angle p, y, z is equal to 190 degree. So a p, y, z will be how much? 190 minus 64, so PYZ will be 190 minus 64 is 4 minus 0 minus 4 is 6, 7 ले हो रहे 1 1. Therefore C ले लेना था अतो ऐना पाम दी Y O Q ना sorry X Y Q ना था X Y Q दी कहीं नहीं होगा that has to be added था C होगा ऐना फंगी दी कराना PYZ फंगे but अदु को पे दाव रहे PYZ is 2 times of QYZ 116 का ठीक है ला इनो से YQ bisect angle kana neba PYZ dan tadi ka atau nego se twice la ise ka dan tadi kana na nge angle QYZ will be equal to 116 divided by 2 that will be equal to 58 dan tadi ka sa itu mana pamidi kana no then XYZ XYQ will be it is the sum of XYZ plus angle QYZ. Therefore, it is 64. It is 58. Therefore, that adding will be their sum will be 4 plus 8 is 12. 6 plus 5 is 11. Put the 12. And daraba. Ahan bagisma pange yandare ka next mana pamiste kanano reflex angle adi kaso lang opposite side to natra na QYP ki reflex angle adi kayo yani si thamamaga so mele mori busar ungai se ka aduga 180 to kana jala pangani PYQ se tinjala ka pangani ka yandarba natra XYQ je ka makha tab de nga again reflex angle kanano QYP this will be equal to QYP reflex angle of the QYP di sini ka tasana kali hon samse hoy doi ni Ano ka na lang sa angle QYX hay na siya rin. Nagtraga na XYQ hay na siya rin ka. XYQ plus ano? Angle XYP. Ano si kaya na siya? 122 plus 180. This will be equal to 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus I is 10. 2 plus 1. Ito ka? 3 tali ka. This is the required answer. And tali ka. Okay, note it down. Sinjal na yun, ha? Yeah, record it. You know, with this we come to the end of the exercise 6.1 ka. 6.1 na lishale. Yan dahil ka. Na inagi pa question sing jalo ina khangam gani na kali. Once again, please go through it again. Asana sa tharo amo na yengu ka. This will come with your handaki lakaduri ba midterm exam da sigi portion se ma yaro kani ka. Adu yanga ngasigi classical loina na. Anaki question gi pekhasigi oiba some probable question khara mo thagalake ka gan dabrai se aduna probable question ju ajana satho answer budi tik tawraga yawbani ka adu ahor pudu ai pi dre ahor pudu na koina try tawro namdaba kotaba yawraga na hango ka answer ta ido aduna gyan ta taba src answer ji kamai ta reino hangda kotaba yawraga di hango ka yare ko de Alright then, see you all in the next class. Stay safe at home. Okay, bye.